Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to import Quora accounts on QAdominator. Pull down and click Import. It will use the comma as the separator by default. So we should prepare the txt file like this. You can add usernames, passwords, proxies, tags, links, email passwords in the txt file. You don't need to import email server and email port. The software can auto-fill in the fields based on the email addresses you import. Tag means including keywords when the software uses AI to generate answers. It can be several words being separated by. Link means the URL that is in the tag. Click here to import. The software can auto-identify the account info you import. If wrong, you can also set it up manually. For example, this column is proxy instead of email password. I can correct the column name to proxy here. Lastly, add the category name. That's it. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.